What up guys, welcome back for another vlog. This one is literally just gonna be all about launch control and no lift shift. I haven't launched the car yet since I got back from Denver last night. Up in Denver, I was like 5,400 altitude-ish. Here it's like 43. I was seeing like 6 PSI on launch at 4,200 RPM up there. Launched the car a few times. It wasn't the best, but I was a little nervous. I didn't want to like fuck the car up, being 8 hours away from home. And I am on the stock clutch. And I just hit 45,000 miles on said stock clutch on the way home from Denver last night. For you guys that are new here, oh fuck me, god damn it, look. Here I am talking to the camera and I see a nail in my tire. Well, looks like I'll be going to discount tomorrow. That blows. Well, anyway, if you're new to the channel, I got a nail in my tire. My name is Bryce. I got a 2016 Golf R manual, still on the stock IS38, United Motorsports, adjustable file with launch control, no lift shift. I got a Remus sport exhaust with the valves open, Revo downpipe, catted, basic bolt-ons, racing line intake, turbo muffler delete. I got a Turbo Smart blow-off valve. It's supposed to be the 50-50, half atmosphere, half recirc. Pretty much racing line springs, other bits and pieces, P3 boost gauge. Yeah, car runs really well. And I'll show you the engine bay real quick, then we're gonna go out and drive and do some launches and show you guys the launches and no lift shift. And here's the car. She's a little dirty right now. Oh yeah, and a racing line catch can. A bunch of other little small things. Got it heat wrapped in a turbo blanket. Nothing too fancy. 19-inch Pretorias. I got Stop Tech rotors, EBC yellow pads. Car is dirty, don't mind. Drove probably 30 hours this weekend, so boom. Alright guys, just got out here to my little test spot I normally come to. Got a little rainbow going on out here. The New Mexico afternoon is just so beautiful. But the only thing this town has going for it. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys how to set launch control. Basically you rev to the desired RPM that you want to have launch control set at, and you just tap the brake. The engine light will come on real quick and then it'll be set. Take off traction control, put down the clutch and the gas pedal all the way to the floor, and it'll and then launch the car. So we're going to set it at 4,200 RPM at first and see how that goes. I normally don't do no lift shift from 1 to 2 because that's the gear I would be most likely to miss. So I usually, I don't know, kind of short shift first, go into second, and then I no lift shift from 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, from there on. But I'll try and get at least one no lift shift from 1 to 2 so you guys can hear, because I'll probably be quite a ways down the way. But I'll have a camera on the back as well, so I guess it really doesn't matter. Alright, so we're going to go to 4,200. About there. Engine light on. And that's it. Now let's see how much boost we actually get from that. So it's still about 6-7 PSI. That's what I was getting in Denver, so we'll see how this goes. Yep, see, this made me all types of nervous and I missed second, just like I said I would. So I'm gonna try it one more time. I'm gonna raise the launch control up a little bit more. I'm gonna go to like 4,500. See if that makes a little bit more of a difference. It felt pretty decent. It's definitely way better than what it used to be. Yeah, shit sounds sweet though. And let's see how this goes. more for you guys because my dumb ass forgot to hit the record button on this, but I did it on the GoPro. I've been holding shifts a little bit longer so you guys can actually hear like the anti-lag or whatever they want to call it. claims it's like anti-lag between shifts. To me, it's just no lift shift, whatever. Yeah, the 45 definitely feels a lot better. I'm not slipping the clutch like I should because I'm just doing this for fun, just to show you guys. I'm gonna really dial in this weekend. We're supposed to go the 8th mile out a few towns over, but we'll see. I'll do one more for you guys, and then I'll do some video from the inside of the no lift shift and whatnot. Well, it's not too bad for the first couple of launches on this shitty fucking road. I don't know if you guys can see how shitty it is, but it is what it is. Definitely out here having fun. Finally, I'm just so fucking happy that I finally do have launch control and that I can use it and the no lift shift. I do more autocross than anything, and that's really what I'm building the car around. But when it does come to doing, you know, digs and rolls, this is definitely nice to have because it happens more often than not that I get into some drag racing. So I'm gonna set it at 5,000 now. I'm gonna put the GoPro up here and get you guys some inside views. Alright, well I did a 5,000 RPM launch and that shit was mint. I think that's gonna be the keeper spot. I didn't get it on this camera, so I basically made a big circle, came back to my spot. I'm gonna set the camera up, do a 5,000 RPM launch for you guys, and that'll be the end of this one. I hope you guys enjoy the video. This weekend I should be doing some dig racing. There's no autocross this weekend, so I'll have some more video for you guys to see how it actually compares to some other cars from a dig. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip-flop.